Welcome to a world where sound takes center stage, where every beat is crystal clear, and where noise exists only if you want it to. Welcome to the world of Sony WF-1000XM5. The Sony WF-1000XM5, the latest in Sony's line of premium true wireless earbuds, is here to redefine your listening experience. With a sleek design, superior sound quality, and cutting-edge noise-canceling technology, these earbuds are a testament to Sony's commitment to audio excellence. One of the defining features of the Sony WF-1000XM5 is its industry-leading noise cancellation. Powered by Sony's QN1E processor, the earbuds effectively eliminate background noise, allowing you to immerse yourself fully in your music, podcasts, or calls. Whether you're on a bustling street, in a crowded cafe, or on a noisy airplane, the Sony WF-1000XM5 ensures that all you hear is what you want to hear. Moving on, the Sony WF-1000XM5 offers impeccable sound quality. Equipped with a 24-bit audio signal processing and DAC with amplifier, these earbuds deliver a dynamic sound range. The bass is punchy, the mids are smooth, and the highs are crisp. The DSCE-HX technology also upscales compressed digital music files in real time, bringing them closer to the quality of high-resolution audio. Battery life is another area where the Sony WF-1000XM5 shines. With a single charge, these earbuds offer up to 8 hours of playtime. The accompanying charging case provides an additional 3 charges, totaling up to 32 hours of battery life. And for those in a hurry, a quick 10-minute charge can provide up to 90 minutes of playtime. In terms of connectivity, the Sony WF-1000XM5 features Bluetooth 5.0, ensuring a stable connection with a wide range of devices. The earbuds also support LDAC, Sony's audio coding technology that transmits approximately 3 times more data than conventional Bluetooth audio, providing an enhanced wireless listening experience. The Sony WF-1000XM5 also comes with intuitive touch controls that allow you to play, pause, skip tracks, control volume, and activate your phone's voice assistant with a simple tap or swipe. And with the Sony Headphones Connect app, you can customize your listening experience, adjust sound levels, and set equalizer settings to suit your preferences. In summary, the Sony WF-1000XM5 offers a premium listening experience. Its industry-leading noise cancellation technology, superior sound quality, impressive battery life, and intuitive controls make it a standout choice for true wireless earbuds. Whether you're an audiophile, a frequent traveler, or someone who simply appreciates good sound, the Sony WF-1000XM5 is a worthy contender for your consideration. So immerse yourself in the world of sound with the Sony WF-1000XM5, where every note is clear, every beat is vibrant, and every moment is yours to enjoy. Because with Sony, you don't just listen to music, you live it.